If you resign from your job in Jamaica, do you still get paid? Or can your employer withhold your money because you chose to leave? Let's clear this up properly, because too many workers walk away from money they're legally entitled to. Yes, you must be paid for work already done. In Jamaica, resigning does not cancel your right to be paid for hours already worked, earned wages, accrued benefits where applicable. Once you worked for it, the money is yours. What are you entitled to after resigning? When you resign properly, you should receive salary or wages up to your last working day, overtime already worked, any earned commissions, payment for accrued vacation leave, if applicable. What about notice periods? Most Jamaican employment contracts require notice before resigning. Common examples: 1 week notice, 2 weeks notice, 1 month notice. If you work your notice period, you should be paid in full for that time. What if you don't work your notice? If you resign without giving the required notice, your employer still must pay you for work already done, but they may deduct pay in lieu of notice if your contract allows it. They cannot refuse to pay all your wages or keep your final paycheck indefinitely. Final pay, when should you get it? Your final payment should be made on your normal payday or within a reasonable time after your last day. There is no legal basis for employers to delay final pay unfairly. Common myths workers are told: you resigned, so you're not getting paid. You didn't finish notice, so you lose everything. We'll pay you when we feel like it. What to do if your employer refuses to pay? If your employer refuses to pay your final wages: 1. Ask for a written breakdown of your final pay. 2. Keep records of hours worked and pay slips. 3. Save your resignation letter and messages. 4. Contact the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS. The ministry can investigate and help recover unpaid wages. Your employer cannot punish you financially for choosing to leave. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share so more Jamaican workers understand their rights before resigning. Stay informed. Stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.